Let's talk about superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives to describe things at their highest extreme or their lowest extreme. And remember, we use comparative adjectives to compare two things. We use superlative adjectives to describe three or more things. There are two forms for superlative adjectives. Let's look at the EST form first. We add the ending EST to one-syllable adjectives and two-syllable adjectives that end in Y. We also usually add the before our superlative adjective. For example, with the adjective high, we could say, this is the highest score, because high is one syllable. Instead of the, we can also add possessive adjectives before high. So instead of the, I could say, this is his highest score, or her highest score, or their highest score. If I have the adjective easy, it ends in Y. So I'm going to change the Y to an I, and it becomes easiest. Two more things about the EST ending. One, if my adjective already ends in an E, like strange, I just add ST and it becomes strangest. And number two, if my short adjective ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, like sad, for example, I double my final consonant and get saddest. That is the saddest thing I've ever seen. With adjectives that are two syllables long that don't end in Y, or that are three or more syllables long, we add most or least before the adjective. And don't forget your the. For example, popular. I could say this is the most popular video or the least popular video. I could also use a possessive adjective and say this is my most popular video or my least popular video. There's always some adjectives that go with both rules. A couple examples are narrow and simple. So I can say narrowest or most or least narrow. I could also say simplest or most or least simple. And of course, it wouldn't be grammar without some irregular adjectives. For example, good is the best and bad is the worst. That's all I have for superlative adjectives. Hopefully it wasn't the worst video you've ever seen. I'll see you next time.